Hi y'all, my name's Elizabeth, but my channel is Queenie Lee.
I'm Jayanne.
And in this video, we're gonna be talking about professional dreadlocks and Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson's hair, because as you might have noticed, she has her hair locked. And we share the exact same hairstyle as Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson. So the hairstyle is called either Sisterlocks or Microlocs. The term is somewhat interchangeable. So in this video, we're gonna be talking about why someone would choose this hairstyle. Our own personal experiences with like Microlocs or Sisterlocks in the professional setting, because I am currently a physician assistant student.
And I am a dental student.
So we do have some experience with locks in a professional setting. We're also gonna be talking about how this style is created, what the price range is to start this style, and how you can start and maintain your own locks, just like we did. We're also gonna talk about why someone would choose this hairstyle. And then we're gonna finish up and talk about why Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson's hair is important. And if you have any comments throughout the duration of this video, make sure to put them in the comment section below and I will try to get to them as soon as I possibly can. Also, if you have someone in your life who thinks that locks can't be professional, make sure to send them this video and we'll try to prove them wrong together. So first, let's start by talking about who we are. My name is Elizabeth, but my channel is Queenie Lee. I started my own Microlocs and documented the whole install process on my YouTube channel over 2 years ago. Now I encourage people to start and maintain their own locks, and I show them how to do it.
I'm Jayanne. She actually locked my hair, and I'm here because it's actually very important to me that I encourage other Black women to microlock or lock their hair.
So we shot this video on March 28th, but on April 7th, Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson was officially confirmed by the Senate to become a Supreme Court justice. So yeah, we shot this video a little bit ago, so it's going to be as if she has not yet been confirmed by the Senate. Okay, let's keep going.
So who is Ketanji Brown Jackson? She is President Biden's nominee for the Supreme Court Associate Justice. Her confirmation hearings before the Senate Judiciary Committee began on March 21st. She will not only be the first Black woman to serve on the Supreme Court Justice, but she's also the first public defender to hold the position. She also wears her hair in a completely 100% natural hairstyle, referred to as Microlocs or the brand name Sisterlocks. While her hair is not the most important thing about her, it's still important. For decades, Black women have faced blatant discrimination for wearing their natural hair in professional settings. That's why this unambiguously Black woman holding the position of Supreme Court Justice in the highest court within the American justice system is a big deal.
Not only is it a big deal, recently the US House of Representatives passed a federal bill called the Crown Act, which stands for Creating a Respectful and Open World for Natural Hair. So different versions of this bill have already been passed on a state level and throughout multiple different cities. But now we have the opportunity to have a federal bill passed. And this bill would outlaw public institutions and employers from discriminating or refusing service to people because of wearing their natural hair. So hopefully this bill passes the Senate in the next few months. We currently already have support from President Joe Biden. Therefore, I argue that Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson's hair signals the beginning of a third wave of the natural hair movement. So in the 1970s, we had the Afro. In the 2000s, we have the natural hair movement as it's basically embodied today. And now I believe we have the advent of Microlocs overtaking relaxers, weaves, and high tension styles.
So what are Microlocs or Sisterlocks? Sisterlocks are the brand name that was coined or curated by the African-American woman Joanne Cornwell. They are small, tightly woven locks known for their versatility. They are started with a specific method known as interlocking.
So Microlocs, on the other hand, are the generic version. They can be started using two-strand twists, braids, or even interlocks. You can even DIY them as both of us did. So therefore, we have Microlocs because we did them ourselves. And we are not Sisterlock technicians. I personally use the interlock method.
I use the two-strand twist method to install my locks, and I maintain them with the interlocking method.
So now we're going to talk about the cost of this hairstyle. So the cost to start this hairstyle can be anywhere from like $0 to $2,000, and then the cost to maintain this hairstyle can be anywhere from like $0 to $400. So why do I say 0? I say 0 because you can watch my YouTube video where I recorded myself starting and installing my locks from start to finish. And if you watch that, you could also follow exactly what I did and install your locks all on your own. Or you can go to my website, queenieleem.com, and you can download all of the ebooks and downloadables that have all of the details for how you can start your own Microlocs. So in my ebook, I've compiled over 2 years of research, and I put detailed instructions and a step-by-step guide with all of the links to all of the tools that I use. I even give you a bonus of the little sizing card that I made so that you can get precise small locks. And I also include all my little tips and tricks for my install process. So in total, I probably spent around like $50 to install my locks on my own. I saved a lot of money. And then by self-maintaining my hair over the past 2 years, I've saved, if not hundreds, thousands of dollars. So yes, you can have this hairstyle for less than $50 if you so choose.
So thousands of dollars sounds like a lot, but that's unfortunately the reality if you're getting it done by a professional. And I knew that when I was starting dental school, I wouldn't have as much time to work and I wouldn't have a steady stream of income. And for me, it was important to install my locks before starting dental school because I knew that it would save me a lot of money.
So before we go any farther, if you have any questions with what we've said so far, make sure to put those in the comment section below. So now we're going to talk about why someone would choose this style. So number one, this style, as we already said, is well known for its versatility. So you can wear your hair up in a bun, in a ponytail, in braids, in cornrows. You can even add hair to your hair, which I wouldn't necessarily recommend. Or you can do as Jan did. She did a cute little half up braid. You can put your hair in a mohawk, or like Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson, you could curl your hair. You can do so much with this hairstyle.
Number two, you don't have to worry about your hair getting wet. A lot of Black women are known for running when there's water because we have to maintain that expensive hairstyle that we have. But with Microlocs, you don't have to worry about that. In fact, it facilitates the locking process.
3, it literally takes me less than 30 seconds to look good in the morning.
4, no toxic chemicals or products to start or maintain your locks.
5, they are 100% your natural hair.
6, the tighter your hair, the better your locks are gonna look.
And 7, this can be an extremely low maintenance hairstyle. You can invest a few hours once every 5 to 8 weeks, but other than that, you really don't have to do much. So if you like the topic of this video and you want to see more videos, make sure to like below. Also, if you want to see more videos on my channel, make sure to subscribe below and click that notification bell so you can see uploads as soon as they're uploaded. Okay, so now we're going to talk about a personal experience I've had in relation to Microlocs in the professional setting. So going into my clinical year of PA school, I thought that to feel like my hair was professional, I was going to have to wear my hair in a bun. But what I realized was in the ER, in a primary care setting, in an urgent care setting, all of which I now have experience in, that plenty of people of other races wear their hair down. So I tried it and I really got nothing but compliments. I have gotten compliments from my mentors, from other PAs, from professors, from doctors, and I realized that anywhere that I feel like I could wear my relaxed hair down, I can wear my Microlocs down, and it's professional. So really, that just talks about the freedom that this hairstyle gave me, gave us. Mm-hmm. And that is why I feel like this hairstyle could change the world and could change how we as Black women feel about ourselves.
And I think that Elizabeth is completely right. It can change the world. For a Black woman to wear her natural hair and to wear it down, something that we haven't been able to do or we've been discouraged from doing for so many generations, I think it's a very powerful thing. I think I've experienced basically the same thing. Most people are surprised and confused at the same time. They don't exactly know what it's called, but it's pleasing to their eye. And I think it's a great opportunity to kind of meet people in the middle and educate them on what natural Black hair could do. I find that in the medical setting, a lot of Black women receive validation or compliments when they conform to Eurocentric ideas of what beauty looks like.
So I was recently watching a video by Bindi Mark, who's also a YouTuber. She said this on her YouTube video. In order to succeed in a professional setting, it's basically been an unspoken rule that we as Black women have to conform to European beauty standards, especially when we are a token in a certain space in the work setting. So in line with this, I've had an experience with this internalized belief of what beauty is. So back when I was 14, when I was in high school, I had a friend who was Black, and he said to me, looking at my hair, "Frizz," which was my nickname at the time, "Frizz, you need to relax your hair." And I'm making this video right now to talk to every 14-year-old girl, every single girl, that someone has told them they need to relax their hair because their hair is not good hair. You do not need to relax your hair. And Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson is an example of that. And she's an example of that just by existing. And that is why Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson wearing her natural hair in the highest court of the land is important, because it adds visibility to natural hair. And it proves that natural hair can be professional, and that we set our standards for what that means.
This style is created for people with kink in their hair, specifically and exclusively for us.
I wear my hair with pride because it's 100% me, 100% African American. It's my heritage, it's my pride, it's my crown, it's my love of myself and where I came from.
As a Caribbean-born Black American, locks was not new to me, but I associated it with the Rastafarian lifestyle. This style that I wear today was curated by an African American woman, and the duality of my identity is represented in the duality of my crown.
I feel like I was led to this hairstyle and that I have been called to share it with people. And it's because of you guys and all of my viewers that I will continue to do this, because you guys have shared with me how finding this hairstyle has made me feel. And it's just amazing to know that I am not the only person that feels like they've been given new life and a different life because they're able to show who they are 100% naturally. And I think you had a similar experience.
I have wanted Sisterlocks for so many years, and I couldn't afford it. And like Elizabeth said, you can spend $50 for years and maintain your hair. You can install it yourself. This is a revolutionary thing in my life. It's changed me, and the fact that I'm back here today, I think, proves how much this means to me and how much I want other Black women to know that this is an option, this is accessible, this is for you, it's literally for you. It is only something that your hair can do. I think that that just shows how magical Black women are, and I think that this is another thing that we can add to our resume of excellence.
So if you want Microlocs, go to queenieleem.com, download my ebooks, download that little sizing card, download the grid if you want hair that looks like this. Watch my YouTube videos, follow me on Instagram so that you can watch the proof that it is possible for you to start, maintain, and grow beautiful locks 100% on your own. If you invest the time, you will be paid back.
And you're worth it.
So if you guys liked this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you can see uploads as soon as they're uploaded. And of course, as always, if you have any questions at all, please make sure to put those in the comment section below, and I will respond to all of them as soon as I can. So my name is Elizabeth Williams.
My name is Jayanne Pierre.
This is my YouTube channel, Queenie Leem.
This is not my YouTube channel, but I love it here.
Thank you so much for watching.
Okay. How does it look at the back? How does it?
You have to come over this way, right? There. Okay. Now just like spin around and just like play with it.